Alright, let's fucking go. Okay, down in Bomb Simp, inside of our explosion emission function, we've labeled it with a little label here, and we have the data pixel index, a pointer to an optimized tile setter right here that takes the index of the pixel and the red, green, blue alpha channels. We want to get the explosion shape and the size of our explosion arms from lookup tables. If the shape of the explosion is a ring shape, we're going to get the data pixel index, and we are going to back up by the left arm magnitude, and then also back up by the top arm magnitude. So to go to the left, we need to decrement by increments of 1 by the arm length, but when we're going up, we have to decrement by increments of 2048 multiplied by the arm length, because we're going up scan lines, and the texture is 2048 by 2048. Okay, the rim width and height is the left and right branches +1, top and bottom branches +1. The +1 is for the bomb in the center. Counters for the width and height. Data pixel index, we're going to back up by 1 so we can enter this loop gracefully, and we're going to go to the right. We're on the top edge, we're moving right, increment this counter, do our optimized tile setter. Once the rim width is equal to the counter width, then we are going to break out of here. Now we are on the right edge going downwards, infinite loop. Going downwards, we have to add 2048 each step, increment our height counter, set the pixel for the fatta tile, exit when the counter height gets to the rim height. Okay, now we're on the bottom going left. We're going to go to the left by data pixel index -1, decrement our counter for the width, set this tile here, and then exit once the counter goes back down to 0. Then we're going to go up, because now we're on the bottom, moving up. This is the last edge. To move up, we have to subtract 2048 each step to go scan line by scan line, decrement our height counter, set our tile, and then once this rim height gets to 0, then we're done. Okay, if we have a laser explosion, do this later. When we have a Jax explosion, do this later. If we have a box explosion, do it later, okay? And otherwise, I don't fucking know what's going on, right? And then here's the end of our label for this function, okay? If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here, because I don't got a fucking time here, okay? Source code is here. Like and subscribe. I am making side-scroller Bomberman on steroids. Like, if you like Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this. Like and subscribe on Kanji Coder.